Hey guys, it's Dave again. And for this video, I'm going to be adding another cognitive task to our working memory series. This time, what I'm going to be doing is putting up different mazes, which I generated on mazegenerator.net, a great site, and you can do it on your own. You kind of mess around with the parameters, and you can make your own maze, and it's randomly generated. And you can make it small and simple enough so that you can basically solve it with your mind, with your eyes, without having to use a pen. So what I want you to do is try that out, and I'm going to give you just a simple throwing and catching exercise, and maybe add in a little legs as well. So let's try this. We're going to just do throwing in one hand, and let's start with that, because doing a maze is not like counting circles. It's more difficult, and it requires a lot of investment in your visual working memory. So I invite you to start with that. Throw it up and catch, same hand. Just do that as you watch this and try to solve this maze. And if you like that, then we've got more mazes. I'm going to put up another one in a couple of minutes, but I want you to try a different exercise with your hands this time. Okay? It's going to be the same size and same pretty much difficulty maze, but I want you to try different hand movements so that you can integrate different sides of the brain and different, just different parts of the brain. So first we were doing this. This time I want you to try it with your non-dominant hand. Okay? Now you could rewind and do the same maze, or you can do this one coming up. And now that we've tried just straight up and down with both hands, we're going to do one that's crossing, right? This is crossing with the brain, because we're usually using both sides of the brain whenever we do anything, but when you throw up and down, you're only using this hand, and this hand is controlled by this side of the brain. So this side of the brain doesn't have anything to do with this movement, except for the eyes. Everything's integrated, but it doesn't have to do with the movement of the hand, right? So if we cross, then we've got both hands working, right? Both sides of the motor cortex in the brain. So that's just what I want you to try. This exercise, and throw it about maybe chin level or forehead level if you feel comfortable, and try to solve this maze. Okay, if you made it through that one, you are a warrior for your mind. And you've grown a lot already just by watching this video and trying these exercises. And I hope that you keep that in mind every time, because we're going to stumble, it's going to be frustrating sometimes, but you're growing so quickly when you do these exercises. Every minute that you try to solve a maze while you're doing this is like exploding the number of connections that are being made in your brain. So keep that in mind. Try to keep the growth mindset. You are always growing, and you grow from effort, not from results. And thanks for watching.